Season's greetings, people of YouTube. I just wanted to show everybody my puppy. She's not really a puppy. She's like 8 years old though. But like she really likes a puppy. So this video is called Fun with My Dog, as you can see. So I'm going to show you the neat things that I really like about her. So enjoy. If I can get this up. Okay, so first thing. My dog really likes to play ball. So I'm going to show you what it's like when she plays ball. And she can get really upset if she doesn't get the ball. Okay. Sunny. If I give her a treat, then maybe she'll come over here. She's a good dog. Ready? Ready? Sit. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Ready? She's not very good at catching balls in front of cameras. Okay. Let's try it again. Ready? Come here. Okay. Ready? Bounced off her head. She's a nice, crazy dog, I guess. Oh, do you want to see her in her little Christmas hat? Hang on. Sunny. Keep that in my pocket for a minute. And she loves treats. Hey. Hey, hey. Good girl. So this is her little Christmas hat. Sunny, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Well, she's not really fond of this right now. She doesn't like it. So we have to take it back. See, she says hi. Hi. Okay, back to the game. Sunny. This is her. Okay, she does not play Frisbee, I can tell you that. But like, okay. Sunny. Ready? Okay. You can go in different places. Let go. Oh, and she likes to tackle. Doesn't she, Sunny? Doesn't she? She likes to play rough a lot. Get off the couch. She's happy. Aren't you? Come on. Ready? Come here. Give me the ball. Come on. Come on. She's really stupid right now, but I don't care. She's my good, stupid dog. She's my dog. And she's not really stupid, but so I guess that's what I have for now. Sunny says bye. Well, wherever she is, oh yeah, it's over there. You can see her. Right there. Right there. Okay, so everybody have a Merry Christmas. Bye.